Hello, friends, and welcome to Avnish's Cricket Madness. This is the bonus video of the batting aspect, which signifies that we have completed all the videos in the batting aspect. And bonus videos help us get a little off topic from cricket. There will be a bonus video after every aspect, and just to remind you, there are 6 aspects, which are batting, bowling, fielding, physical, mental and behavioral. So just before we start, I have 2 announcements. One I will tell now and one after the bonus video. So for the first announcement is that South Africa Tour of India, which has 5 T20 internationals, is going on right now. 3 T20 internationals have been completed and South Africa are leading by 2-1. So, and if India want to win the series, they need to win both of the remaining T20 internationals. So can India win the series? We'll get to know today, which is 17th June, or day after tomorrow on 19th June. So, but right now, let's start with the bonus video.
सांस में चढ़ा ले, हिचकियों में क्या है मरना, पूरा मर ले। कोयला काला है, चट्टानों में काला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला, पर सच्चा है सारा। कोयला काला है, चट्टानों में काला है, अंदर काला बाहर काला, पर सच्चा है सारा। जिंदा है तो प्यारा, पूरा भर दे, कच्चा टूटे चूरा, कांच का।
Wow, that was a fun video on the famous places of the first 10 states of India. Part 2 will arrive in the bowling bonus video. But don't worry, I'll try my best not to make you guys wait very long. The final announcement is that our first bowling video will be on YouTube before the end of next week, which is before 2nd July. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon for the latest updates, and share this video with your friends who love cricket. Until next time, goodbye.